Hi there, I'm Liz with LD Carlson, and today we will be showing you how easy it is to brew your own kombucha at home. We will be using the Brewer's Best 1-gallon raspberry kombucha kit and our equipment kit. These kits will provide everything you need to get started on your first batch of kombucha. We will be able to complete the whole process right here in our break room at LD Carlson. Thoroughly clean and sanitize all brewing equipment and utensils that will come in contact with any ingredients using a certified sanitizer such as Star San or IoStar. Our equipment kit comes with a 4-ounce bottle of Star San to get you started. Make sure all surfaces are covered in sanitizer for at least 1 minute. Get as many of the suds and bubbles out as you can when rinsing, but a little leftover won't ruin the process. Next, we are going to dissolve the 12-ounce cane sugar packet in 64 ounces of water. We will need to bring the water to a rolling boil, which can take about 10 to 20 minutes on an electric stovetop. Pour the green tea from the packet into the muslin bag for the next step. Now you can remove the pot from heat and add our green tea muslin bag to the warm water and let it steep for 20 to 30 minutes. We will also need to wait until the water temperature lowers to 80 degrees. After the tea is done steeping, remove and discard the muslin bag. Then transfer the tea to your sanitized jar. We will fill the jar with distilled water, leaving 3 to 4 inches of headspace. You can measure from the rim of the jar down. Next, empty the SCOBY pouch into the jar and cover the mouth of the jar with the cheesecloth, securing it with a rubber band. We will let this sit in a cool place for 1 week and check the pH level. Our target pH is between 2.5 and 3.5. The lower the pH, the more acidic the kombucha will be. We will test the pH level next week and again the week after, looking for the target number. Now that we have the right pH level, we can remove the SCOBY. SCOBYs may be saved and used for future kombucha batches. Now that the SCOBY has been removed from our kombucha, we will add our 2-ounce bottle of raspberry fruit kicker. Sanitize both the lid and the airlock. Screw the lid onto the jar. Fill your airlock halfway with water and gently twist the airlock into the grommeted lid. Fermentation will increase and the airlock will bubble. Fermentation will continue over the next week and we will be ready to bottle or jar our kombucha. It is recommended to use amber flip-top bottles, but we will be using a clear flip-top bottle. The bottled kombucha should sit at room temperature for 2 days before refrigerating. We hope this step-by-step video showed you just how easy and quick it is to brew our kombucha kits at home. Contact your local homebrew retailer to get your kit today.